Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Actually, you got some surface rust, and I bought this on the sale a while back. We'll give it a shot. So I may cut in and out. My moves are diesel in the background. The boarding is death. I'm gonna put some on, see how it goes. As see, comes out water. It stinks. Spread on real thick. It don't smell like French fries though. Just try to add some humor. Keep all falling asleep. Well, I'm gonna keep on doing this and trying to get high, you know what I mean, man? Keep on going, be on back. Now I've got this side good and wet, and it stinks. Burns your eyes and burns your nose. Yeah, I got breathing equipment somewhere. We'll let this dry, hit the other side real quick. Let us hit this side again. Missed a few spots. See, it's got like a white crust on it. Let's turn the steel kind of a black color. But I gotta find some steel. Wash this out. I'm gonna wash more 415 because I'm gonna run out of it. Do what I can with it. Thank y'all for watching. Here's the bottle close up. Protects metal 12 months. I don't know about that one. But I leave something out in the rain for like 2-3 weeks. Kept pretty protected. Let's go to the floor again. As you can tell, I soaked it down good. It's been a couple of days now. Need to go over it again though. Consider how much it cost. Better than sandblasting. Well, good enough anyway. The plasma cutter I got, if you've seen that video, for some reason it don't want to work. Now that's it for a month. It won't fire no more. Thank y'all.